Hello, hello, my lovely viewer. How are you? Welcome to my channel, Abroad with Susana. Yes, I am Susana Ortega, your expat life coach. So I created this channel for you, the international women living abroad, following your spouse maybe, or maybe following that intuition that brought you to start an adventure overseas. So my goal is to provide some practical tips for expat women like you to get the right mindset when moving abroad because many international spouses lack purpose when living abroad. So, I am an expat life coach and I coach you to regain your confidence and clarity to decide on what and how you want to invest your time abroad so you feel purposeful and fulfilled and keep caring for your family. So, with my coaching program, you can find your purpose and confidence, live anywhere with your family, and invest in yourself. I wish I had a Susana the first time I moved abroad 25 years ago, even longer than that. Since I met my husband, it's a sweet Japanese, in Barcelona, we married and started a nomad lifestyle, so we haven't stopped moving around. We've been in 4 continents, 10 countries, and many, many moves. So we also had and raised 2 children as third culture kids. And we have faced many challenges, like being in a split expat family and so on. So moving abroad, well, it's very exciting, but it also takes some adjustments, like learning how to cope with not having friends, language barrier, feeling alone, giving up your career, you name it, right? So many. So, having someone you can ask how to deal with the roller coaster of emotions while you're abroad is really life changing. In this channel, you can find practical tips and useful tricks I learned and practiced myself over all these years of living abroad that now I share with you. So you can ask your questions and clarify your doubts. I post weekly, well, I try at least, tips about how to get the right mindset and overcome confusion, isolation, culture shock, and all of the struggles that people don't tell you about when moving abroad. But really, don't worry, it's not as overwhelming as it sounds if you have someone who understands what you're going through right now. So subscribe to Abroad with Susana, my channel, and get the tips you want to have clarity, feel confident, and find an engaging purpose when living abroad. Subscribe to my channel and receive every week some insights and learn practical tips on how to make the most of living abroad. And if you want to work with me later on, well, you know where to find me.